I'm Dr. Lynne Haven, a board-certified cosmetic dermatologist practicing in Greenwich, Connecticut. Today, I want to discuss the benefits of CoolSculpting.
What is CoolSculpting?
CoolSculpting is an exciting new non-invasive way to treat fat. It involves no needles, no downtime, is very safe and effective, and has totally changed how we are able to do body sculpting.
So how was CoolSculpting developed?
CoolSculpting was developed by Harvard scientists. Dermatologists more than 40 years ago discovered a phenomenon called popsicle panniculitis. This occurred when young children would repeatedly eat a popsicle. They would hold the popsicle onto their buccal mucosa and in some cases had atrophy of their fat pad, causing a dimple. Years later, scientists at Harvard used this principle to develop the technique called cryolipolysis. That's where we use cold to non-invasively freeze the fat cells, and that harvests the body's own process to get rid of unwanted fat.
Is it safe?
Yes, it's very safe. It's FDA approved and has been shown in multiple clinical studies to be very safe and effective.
How long does it take?
Well, the treatment itself takes 1 hour per area treated. People will often choose to have multiple areas treated on the same day, so the length of treatment depends on the number of areas treated.
Who is a good candidate?
Well, a good candidate for the CoolSculpting procedure is someone where you can literally pinch the fat. The reason for this is that the CoolSculpting technology works by drawing the fat into the applicator head using a vacuum. So anyone that has fat where we can pinch it and pull it into the applicator head will be a great candidate. Who is not a good candidate is someone that has visceral fat or fat around the internal organs. It's not designed to treat internal fat.
What results can I expect?
Studies have shown that most CoolSculpting treatments cause a reduction of fat, about 20 to 25% reduction of the area treated. This often translates to a decrease in about a pant size or a dress size, or in some cases even more. But most people just find that their clothes fit better and that they feel better.
Is it painful?
No, typically people do not find it painful at all. There's a cold gel pad that goes down, and then there's a vacuum, so you'll feel a little bit of a tugging sensation as the fat is drawn into the machine. And then the cold from the machine, which is part of the procedure, helps the area go numb, so that acts as a natural anesthetic. No one requires any anesthesia or pain medicine during the procedure.
What is the recovery period?
Typically, there's no recovery after CoolSculpting. Most people go back to work that day or can exercise immediately afterward. There's really no recovery because it's non-invasive, no anesthesia, no needles, no surgery. It's great.
Where do the fat cells go?
Well, the fat cells get reabsorbed naturally with your body. Your body has its own process for metabolizing fat, which is what happens when we eat fat in the diet, for example, avocado or a hamburger, and your body will just process that fat. The CoolSculpting allows the body to just process this fat, and it goes by the same natural pathway.
What are some of the most common areas that are treated?
There are many areas that we can effectively treat with CoolSculpting. Some of the most common areas include the abdomen, the love handles, the muffin top, the back area, the bra fat area. For men, gynecomastia or male breasts. We have new applicator heads that can treat the arm and the inner thighs, the outer thighs. There are many areas that we can effectively treat with CoolSculpting.
Is it permanent?
Yes, it is permanent. With CoolSculpting, there's a reduction in those fat cells, and once those fat cells are gone, they're not coming back.
How many treatments does a person need?
How many treatments a person needs really depends on the person's goals. Some people will need as few as 1 treatment. Some people will want to do multiple areas throughout their whole body, and for some people, we will do a series of CoolSculpting treatments to give that wow factor where we're really sculpting the body to give a beautiful result.
With CoolSculpting, I got the exact results that I wanted. CoolSculpting let that little bit of extra fat just just go away. Bing, bang, boom, done. With CoolSculpting, I was able to have the procedure done. It took about 1 hour, just one little hour. I was up to work and I was at the gym the same day. CoolSculpting gave me the confidence to go out on the beach in a bikini. I haven't done that in years. I feel strong, I feel powerful, I feel confident. I would recommend it to anybody.
There were some target areas that through working out and or diet that I'd tried to alleviate for years, and that was my love handles. It was very easy because it was just sit there, watch your iPad, you know, watch a movie, can walk right out afterwards and, you know, go back to work that afternoon. It makes me really happy when I look in the mirror.
This sounds great. So how does one proceed?
Well, the best thing to do would be to set up a consultation, because that way I could see what areas were bothering you and set up an optimized treatment plan. The treatment for everyone is very individualized, and it's important to really make a customized plan to get the optimum results.